Check this out, man.
I don't know if I'll edit it into my video, but
Wow.
Oh boy, something is on fire. Wow. That was pretty bad.
Tunnel immediately now.
Yeah, this is it. Willow Hill. No, it's a tractor. Yeah, it's an old tractor.
It's a pretty cool curvy road. That's good. That's good. I actually have another YouTube channeler who's gonna YouTube me or not. I don't want to be. Okay, no problem, but it's pretty neat. I'm sure this tree has been eaten up by woodpeckers. Tons of holes there. Check that out. But what I'm interested in is farther away, those bare spots on top of the mountain. I don't know if we can get there or not, but look at that. It's pretty cool. So it definitely feels weird when someone else drives and I'm in the back seat.
Yeah, no kidding.
Sonny, you pull over on the left side. Let's see what this is all about.
all right,
This is,
perfect.
oh, cool. This is overlook.
Oh, it's an overlook.
Oh, no, further.
Further down. Okay.
So we just decided to pull over because we saw a sign for an overlook. Now, check this out, man.
I don't know if I'll edit it into my video, but
Wow.
again, I'll leave another link.
Beautiful.
below. Amazing.
So apparently this is Hickory Ridge. Cool. This is incredible. Really phenomenal. Pretty neat. There's a thing for a map, except there's no map. Cool. This is Hemlock Trail that we're hiking on. So beautiful. So we've been hearing water, sound of water for the last 5 minutes, and here it is. This is a natural area, so I hope I don't run into any bear or mountain land. I would like to see them from inside my vehicle, but not face to face. Also don't want to see any snakes. This area is full of snakes. How cool is that? Hey, you sound familiar. Don't you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do.
Oh, awesome. Me too. Water is not deep enough. I do. Look how gigantic that tree root is. Holy smokes. Oh, those are pretty big rocks. Holy smokes. Wow. That's pretty neat. So guys, an interesting thing. So we are on Hemlock Trail. You can see the water flow and you can hear water everywhere. But look at this. Everything is covered, right? Ground. But I hope you can hear that here. There is water underneath there flowing. That is so cool, man. So the whole area we're standing on has water flowing below. We are currently parked on this, beside this snowy icy trail, and that's where our cooking setup is. So we're doing this chicken sausage, and we're gonna have some yellow rice with it, so stay tuned. Setup, I'm using this knife. We're cooking chicken sausages from Costco, very tasty, and then we're gonna have it with a little bit of rice, and we got chocolate and other stuff, so that should be pretty good. Look at this dust behind us.
Yeah. When the ranger went, you could see the dust trail. Oh, that's pretty cool. Ah.
There's something called Blain Vista where we definitely need to go. So we are at a spot, really awesome spot. to check out Blain Vista, and I'm seeing the sign here, scenic overlook. Guys, this is the most awesome trail road I've driven on. It was so exciting. Let's see what we have ahead of us. We are approaching the Blain Vista finally. This was quite a ride, and wow, this is nice, man. This is pretty neat. Ooh. Check that out. How are you?
Good, how are you?
You're
Good.
the only person we are seeing after.
Yeah, we haven't seen anybody.
Yes, it's a good time, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
it is.
wonderful.
The
No.
zombies?
I was looking for
I was gonna
Bigfoot,
say,
but
we got one in the back.
We were hoping. But
yeah. Uh-oh, what is this?
Little Knob Road. That way. We came that
No,
way.
we are Kansas Valley.
Okay.
Oh no, we came from
Yeah,
there
that's what I'm saying.
because
Little Knob Road, and we turned.